And good Sunday evening, everyone. I'm Chris Holmstrom.
And I'm Rachel Kim. The hope for a return to normalcy this summer fading fast as coronavirus cases continue to go up.
Yeah, cases are rising in all 50 states and new mandates could be on the way. Today, LA County reported nearly 2,100 new cases and 4 more deaths. Hospitalizations, they've increased again as well to 716. 161 of them are in the ICU. The national surge is concerning for Dr. Anthony Fauci.
We're going in the wrong direction. If you look at the inflection of the curve of new cases, it is among the unvaccinated.
And Fauci said officials are actively considering recommending masks for even vaccinated Americans. Fauci and other U.S. health leaders are also considering vaccine booster shots for those with suppressed immune systems.
So will we end up with more restrictions again? CBS 2's Laurie Perez is live in Montclair with more on that. Laurie.
An interesting situation developing here in Montclair. Tomorrow morning, city workers will show up for work, and if they want to go to work without a mask, the city says they will have to indicate they have been vaccinated by wearing a sticker on their ID badge. But at least one city councilman says that is asking way too much.
Since this story has aired 4 or 5 days ago, I have been getting a series of hate messages from people saying, I hope you die of COVID.
Montclair City Councilman Ben Lopez says the controversy over COVID policies has gotten ugly. He's under fire for opposing a new city policy that starts Monday, requiring city employees to wear stickers proving they are fully vaccinated if they want to go maskless at work.
I have no problem with our city HR department asking our employees to provide information if they are vaccinated. Beyond that, I don't think we have any authority.
Last week, the city manager insisted the policy is in line with Cal OSHA guidelines, mandating workplaces document workers' vaccination status. And the mayor pointed out the CDC even provides stickers to use as proof.
And I just want to note that I do have a sticker on my ID card. So I want to set the example for all employees.
Sunday, LA County reported 2,089 new COVID cases and 4 deaths, continuing the spike in infections. Lopez is mindful of the trend, but says the sticker policy goes too far.
Just because numbers are going up doesn't mean that people's individual right to privacy, especially with their medical information, is not null and void. We don't need a sticker. The default is the mask. If you're wearing the mask, then clearly you're not vaccinated, or you choose not to reveal it, or if you're not wearing the mask, you're vaccinated.
Well, we would hope. Yeah.
Exactly.
Businesses around the country are grappling with COVID policies as infections rise again and more people return to on-location work. The city of Pasadena says it will require all city workers to be vaccinated. Former U.S. Surgeon General Dr. Jerome says to expect more.
More mitigation is coming, whether it's masking or whether it's closures or whether it's your kids having to return to virtual learning. That is coming, and it's coming because this pandemic is spiraling out of control yet again. And it's spiraling out of control because we don't have enough people vaccinated.
Because the Delta variant is more infectious, doctors say there is an even greater risk of spreading it. The chief medical officer at Dignity Health St. Bernardine Medical Center in San Bernardino says at this point, not getting a vaccine is reckless behavior.
You consciously know, that this is unsafe conduct to others and to yourself for risk for death. Now, before it was different. You didn't know much about it. It was little safety concerns. It wasn't access to the vaccine. There's no excuse now.
Now, here in Montclair, even though their program starts tomorrow, there is set to be continuing discussion about it at a city council meeting on August 2nd. In Montclair, I'm Laurie Perez. Back to you.
All right.